Do you ever feel like no matter how hard you work, you just can't seem to get ahead? You put in the hours, maybe even extra shifts, maybe you've tried side hustles, but every month the bills eat up your paycheck before you even have the time to breathe. Groceries cost more, rent is higher, gas prices climb, and the numbers just don't add up anymore. Inflation has quietly stolen the value of every dollar you earn. The truth is, more than half of people right now are living paycheck to paycheck. That means if one unexpected expense hits, like a car repair, a medical bill, or even just a missed paycheck, they're suddenly on the edge of financial freefall. And nearly 8 out of 10 people don't even like the jobs they're grinding away at. If you've ever thought, is this really all there is? Work harder, stress more, retire later, and still never feel secure? Then this might be the most important message you've heard in a long time. Here's what I'm going to share with you today: a business model that's helping everyday people create financial breathing room and even build toward real freedom. By the end of this video, you'll know how you can set up a digital business in one day, plug into a community of people doing the same thing, follow the training that can get you your first sale in a week, and run it all in just 2 hours a day using only your phone and Wi-Fi. This isn't multi-level marketing. This isn't affiliate marketing. This isn't drop shipping or Amazon FBA. It's not trading, and it doesn't come with slim margins, massive upfront cost, or complicated logistics. This is reselling done-for-you digital programs in the e-learning industry, one of the fastest growing industries in the world, where you keep 100% of the profit per sale. Before I go deeper, if you're the kind of person who wants to see how all the pieces fit together, I put together a free PDF guide that walks you through how to make your first 10K online with digital marketing. The link is in my bio. Go grab it, put in your best email so it actually reaches you, and check out the overview once it lands. Now, let's get back to why this matters. Working harder at a job is like bailing water out of a sinking boat with a cup. No matter how fast you scoop, the water keeps pouring in. The system itself is broken. What you need is not a bigger cup. You need a new boat. That's what this business gives you. Here's how it works. When you join, you're given master resale rights to digital programs. That means you don't have to create the programs, design the websites, or build the sales funnel. It's already done for you. All you do is set it up. And that setup can literally be done in one day. You're not left on your own. You plug into a community where people just like you are launching, learning, and succeeding. You introduce yourself, you connect, and right away, you realize you're not alone on this path. Then you follow the launch to profit training. It's step by step, no guesswork. People are making their first sales within a week of starting. Once you're launched, you move into the 2-hour workday. This is not about working 12 hours a day, burning out and hoping something clicks. It's focused, simple daily actions that add up. Here's what you do. You post 3 simple pieces of content on social media. You go live to connect with your audience. You reply to messages and emails because trust is what converts. You can use the copy and paste free ad method to speed things up. And while you're doing those things, your automations are working in the background, capturing leads, building your email list, and following up with prospects for you. That's how you make sales even while you sleep. Think of it like a vending machine. Once it's stocked and running, people can buy from it anytime, day or night, and you don't have to be standing there to hand them the product. Now, why is this better than other business models out there? Well, affiliate marketing, you do the work, but you only keep a small percentage of the sale. MLM, multi-level marketing, you're stuck recruiting, depending on uplines and downlines, chasing family and friends, cold messaging people. Drop shipping or Amazon FBA or e-commerce, you deal with inventory, shipping headaches, razor thin margins, customer complaints, large investments, upfront investments. Trading, it's gambling with your money, and one wrong move can wipe you out. With this business, there are no monthly fees. You don't deal with inventory, warehouses, or suppliers. You don't split your profit with a company. You keep 100%. It's simple, scalable, and designed to create freedom, not more stress. And the digital programs themselves, they're not just products you resell, they're educational. They teach you how to create your own offers, market them, build your personal brand, master email and attraction marketing, and create multiple streams of income. It's like earning while you learn. Every dollar you make funds your education and building an online empire. Let me give you a quick piece of my story so you know why I believe in this so strongly. I spent 10 years as a monk, living a life of service, simplicity, peace, and transcendental philosophy. It was a beautiful life, but it didn't prepare me financially. When I transitioned back into society, I spent 5 years working for a company. I thought I was safe. Then in 2021, an email landed in my inbox, just a short, cold message. My pay was being cut in half. I lost 50% of my income, and they only gave us a 3-week notice. That was the moment I realized I never wanted to be at the mercy of someone else's decision again. I tried online businesses, affiliate marketing programs, MLM, other models, and I failed. I spent more than I made. In 2024, I found this blueprint, a system that gave me done-for-you products, training, and a community. That's when everything changed. And that's why I share this now, because I know what it's like to struggle, to wonder if freedom is even possible. And I also know what it feels like to finally see a clear path. If you're still with me, you're probably ready to see what this looks like for yourself. Don't forget, the free guide is in my bio. It breaks down exactly how you can make your first 10K online with digital marketing. Use your best email so you don't miss it. And if you have questions, just reply when I send it to you. Now, let's talk about the destination, because this isn't just about money. It's about what the money makes possible. It's about paying off debt and breathing easier at night. It's about taking your family on trips without worrying about asking for time off. It's about waking up without an alarm, knowing you control your day and your life. It's about retiring early instead of working until you can't anymore. This business is the airplane. Freedom is the destination. And right now, you've got a boarding pass in your hand. The question is, are you going to take the flight? Waiting another year, another 5 years, another decade, nothing changes until you do. Inflation isn't going down. Jobs aren't suddenly becoming secure. Stress isn't magically disappearing. The only way out is to build something for yourself. So here's your chance. Don't put this off. Go to the link in my bio right now, grab the free PDF, put in your best email so it gets to you. If you have questions, check out the overview. If you see an opportunity, don't wait. Start right now, because the life you want isn't going to build itself. If you take action, if you commit, if you follow the system, your freedom is closer than you think.